There's a crazy storm going on, and I wanted to try to get some footage for you, but we're kind of hiding in the car. Everybody dipped out of the pool, so we followed. Oh, that was a big lightning flash. We got that one. It's pretty wild. All the palm trees are starting to go. Oh, it's about to. Wow!
Wow.
That was a huge bolt right there. I'm gonna step out real quick.
Wow.
That was crazy. Look at this sky. Directly above me. This is crazy. Look at this. The storm is like directly above me. In a big circle. I saw a huge lightning bolt over here though. Whoa, another one. Wild. It's starting to rain over here. Due for a good flash. That's a little one. Usually followed by a big one. Look at the sky. Oh, I keep missing it. And it's like you can see the storm line, like where it is and where it's going. This dude's over here trying to park the fertilizing machine, the landscape machine. Look how dark that is right there. Pretty wild. Oh, there's another big one. It's moving pretty fast, which is a good thing. Hopefully, we're hoping it clears up so we can go back to the pool, but I don't know. There's no telling what this is gonna do. I was hoping to see blue skies behind it, but as you can see, it's just gray behind as far as you can see. So it's not just this one thundercloud coming over us, it's a huge storm coming in. It's kind of disappointing. We were hoping it was just going to be a passing storm, but like I said, if you look at the clouds in the back, they're straight gray. There's no blue sky behind it at all coming up. I think we just got washed out. That sucks. Can't get you guys in like a good position.
Oh, hey, good Boba. Sometimes you can catch it.
God damn it. Hold on to your stuff.
Oh, there's stuff up there.
I know. I'm only driving to that dumpster.
But I'm gonna have stuff too, like.
This has sauce, and I don't want this to spill in the car.
There's a car over there watching us.
I'm using the dumpster.
No, I know. I didn't know if you were staying here or not.
No, I don't drive a truck for a living.
Nope.
That'd be a good 18-wheeler driver, I think. That's something I would like to do, honestly, with my money. Pay for CDL school. Because I'm tired of fucking all these other motherfuckers they work for being like, oh, you need a CDL, I should put you through. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna go put myself through and go work for someone that makes some real money driving a fucking truck. And I don't have to go out of state or nothing. I can drive a triaxle every day for something like Jordan. You know what I mean? Those guys were making $30 an hour just driving a truck. It's a lot more than I make right now.
Why don't you put that out? Is he still moving?
Look, Nick, it's us. Look, Nick, it's us. Fucking downpour. Hurry up! Hurry up! Get the mowers loaded. The other dude just took off in a fertilizer. I don't know where he was going. But they all just piled into their cars. Like 8 people jumped out of that cab over. And there's like, all those are workers' cars. That green and white F-250 or F-150, whatever it is. Oh, big lightning bolt. That was fun. And they almost forgot their machines, it looked like. I wonder who the foreman is that drives the cab over with the trailer. This guy right there. Yep, they must be done for today, which is crazy because like just it's blue sky coming. Shit. We'd be waiting it out in the truck for this to end. Look, that's our exact trailer. That's our 32-foot trailer. That's our exact landscape trailer. It's our Moch Crew trailer. Identical. That's funny. That is definitely our fucking trailer. Oh, he must be parking it over there. They leave it here or something to finish the job tomorrow, maybe?
I don't know.
So it looks like he's parking it. He's backing the trailer into place. Thanks, that Beamer took off, that pickup truck took off. Oh, there, that dude just parked the fertilizer. Here he comes. He parked it either in another
you're
truck.
already soaked. There's no need to run. You are soaked. Wow, that sucks.
Yeah, there was a day we worked at the Presbyterian Church, and from 9 a.m. until fucking 4 p.m., we were literally in rain like this all day long for 10 hours straight, just pulling weeds and fucking mowing because they had some memorial service the next day. It was nuts. It was crazy. We were soaked to the bone, dude. Soaked.
That wasn't planned, right? Not like last minute.
I know. Nick knew it was gonna rain all day when we got there, and then it started pouring. Nick took off to another job to haul stuff. Me and Alex were there. I didn't even have a sweatshirt. I was in a t-shirt. I called Nick to see how long he was gonna be. He said like an hour. Like 4 hours later, he showed back up with my hoodie, and I was fucking freezing. Then he jumped out. He jumped on the mower for a little while to help the mow crew try to get it done as fast as we can so we can get out of there. But I still ended up spending 9.5, 10 hours in a fucking downpour like this, soaked to the bone. Didn't feel good. Sucked.
That's called bad management.
Yeah. Well, we got it done. Wasn't fun. A minute and a half ago, we just had that severe storm that you all just saw. Crazy lightning and thunder, and this is literally honestly 5 minutes later. If it's over 5 minutes, the lightning could strike me dead right now, because it's literally been about 5 minutes since the storm passed. And it's absolutely beautiful out again. It was super hot and humid, so you can still see the remnants of some of the storm clouds that way, going away. But I mean, look at this. Instantly rolled back in. Just absolute paradise again. I love this place so much. I've had a little bit of serious talk about possibly moving here. I really enjoy it. I have about half a dozen different job opportunities. So honestly, work would not be an issue. I can be doing anything from working on cars and tuning cars, to carpentry, to landscaping, operating, construction, security. The opportunities, honestly, I say a half a dozen. I mean, I can even do like inspector work, custodial work. I can do stupid shit at the NASA building. It's not really NASA, it's a building that makes and manufactures a lot of the rocket parts that go up. My Uncle Jason does it. He's an amazing, basically a rocket scientist. That is no joke, no exaggeration. He does some insane 3D printing. Later on, I'll take a video of some of the 3D printing and I'll add them into this video for you to check them out. Maybe add like a slideshow or something of just some of his shit, of just him screwing around. And then maybe later on I'll get him to show me the name of the website of the video of the rocket that he actually built. He literally built the rocket. The video is absolutely insane. It's powered by like liquid nitrogen and all kinds of crazy shit. But we'll come back to it, and I'll give you guys a shout later on and let you guys check it out. But until then, I'm gonna go hang out by the pool with my wife and enjoy the last couple days of my vacay. Doses.